Why does a river flow? Why does the water move constantly from one place to another? You could probably think of a few different ideas. For example, maybe it's the wind. Like imagine if the wind blew across the surface of the water, pushing it along. That seems like it could explain why the water moves. But if you come back and observe any river day after day, you will find out, even on a calm day with no wind, the river still flows. It flows all the time, constantly. Wind and no wind, day and night, it doesn't matter. Well, could there be something pushing the water? Like if you have your hand in the water, you push on it, that makes the water move. So couldn't something be in the river pushing on it to make it flow? But if you go look, there's not anything you'd see in the water. Just looking at the river itself doesn't make it obvious why a river flows. So let's gather more information about rivers. Maybe like if we could look at rivers from above, like with a map. This is North America. Let me show you where some of the rivers are now. Let's compare these rivers with each other and see if rivers have anything in common. We call that looking for patterns. Just to be extra helpful, I've included arrows to show which direction the rivers flow. Have a look and discuss. Do rivers have anything in common which could help you figure out why they flow? Now, here's a hint. Take this river, for example. Since rivers flow from one place to another, look at where each river starts and where each river ends. Do all the rivers have anything in common? Can you find any patterns?